Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how super easy it is to install SuperATV's rear receiver hitch on this Honda Talon. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is go through and remove all the nuts off of the radius arm bolts. Then we're going to open up our box from SuperATV, remove the provided hardware. We're going to go through one by one. We're going to remove the factory bolts and replace them with the bolts provided in the hardware kit. Then just slide the new bolt back in the same exact location. They should go right back in. If they don't want to go right back in, what you want to do is just put some pressure on the tires, pick one up, move it around, and then it should slide right into place. So we're just going to go ahead and continue doing this for the rest of the bolts. See, that one there didn't really want to come out, so we just picked up on the tire. It came right out for us. Once we have all the hardware installed, we're going to go ahead, get in our box, and get our receiver hitch out. We're going to install it to the machine with the SuperATV facing towards the top and just slide it right over the bolts. And we're going to grab our provided hardware kit again and get all of our nuts started. Once all the nuts are started, we're going to grab our ratchet and our wrench. We're going to go through and fully tighten all the hardware. Whenever you're tightening any radius arm hardware, you want to make sure you get it tight, but you also don't want to over tighten it. You still want your radius arms to be able to go back and forth on the Heim. If you don't have a Heim style radius arm, the same principle applies. The main thing is you just don't want to over tighten them. So we got this one pretty tight here. As you can see, it takes a little bit of force to tighten it anymore. That's good. It's got nylock on the nut. It's not going to be going anywhere. And that's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's rear receiver hitch on this Honda Talon. For more information on this rear receiver hitch or any of SuperATV's awesome products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.